Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide your number for outgoing calls in any Samsung phone. If you are using any Samsung phone and you want to hide your number for outgoing calls, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your phone call app and here just tap on three dots in the top right corner, go for settings, then select supplementary services and here you just have to wait for its loading after that. And from here you just have to select show your caller ID for the SIM on which you want to hide your number. Then I'm going to select this option in SIM2 section, just tap on this, then select never. And once you have selected, now your number has been hidden for outgoing calls and your number has been set to be private. So that's how you can easily hide your number for outgoing calls in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.